How to change the screen timeout in Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout on Windows so your screen stays on exactly as long as you want it to. First, click on the Start button and open Settings, or just press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to get there faster. Now click on System, and then select Power and Battery from the right side menu. Under the Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate timeouts, you'll see two options, one for when your device is running on battery and one for when it's plugged in. Click the drop-down under whichever one you want to change and pick your preferred timeout, anywhere from 1 minute all the way to never. Just select the time that works best for you, and you're done. No save button needed. It applies automatically. And if you ever want to change it again, just come back to the same screen and pick a different option. And that's it. Changing your screen timeout in Windows takes less than a minute, and make sure your screen behaves exactly the way you want it to.